Make binoculars with your hands. And let's look for the big red gooey fish. Are those the big red gooey fish? Oops, well, they're big gooey fish, but they're not red. They're yellow. Let's keep looking. Are those the fish we're looking for? Oops, those big gooey fish are green. Let's keep looking. Are those the fish we're looking for? Yeah, there they are. The big red gooey fish. What number ducky are they under? Ducky number 5. Right! Ah, great spotting, everybody. Now, we need to get to ducky number 5. Do you see anything we can use to get to the middle of the lake? A boat, right! Come on, let's go. Now we're good to go. Will you help us row to the middle of the lake? Great! Put your hands out in front of you and row, 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 row. Good rowing, everybody. With our handy fishing rod, we can catch anything. Mr. Pettibone only eats big red gooey fish. Mr. Pettibone is really, really hungry. So, let's find the biggest red gooey fish of all. Which one is the biggest? Do you see the big red gooey fish? Yeah, there it is. That's the biggest red gooey fish of all. Now, help me reel in the fish. Turn the handle with me, everybody. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, it's working! Oh, we got it! We got the biggest red gooey fish of all! Row, row, row! Gee, thanks, everybody! You're really strong! Oh, help me catch that fish! Reach your hands high up in the air! Reach high, higher, and highest of all! Now, catch the fish. Catch it. All right. We caught the biggest red gooey fish. Good going, everybody.